Hi and welcome to today's show, which is a total rant about product placement, sponsorship and all that bollocks. I pay $15, which is £12 a month to YouTube, not to get adverts popping up in the videos I'm watching. And now everybody's doing, this is sponsored by so and so, please buy this. Bollocks, honestly. Right, here's the shittiest brass thing I've got, and I'm going to clean it today with sponsored Shitz paste. So, stick a bit on your finger. Shitz, eh? Whoa. Rub it in the brass. Stick it on fast forward. Poke it up your... This is such a good product, I'm going to have to lower the lighting levels so you don't get blinded. I will bring them back to normal later on. There's also one that shares skills that upsets me, so I shall be doing that in the future as well. Well, maybe I've been knocking this too much. This Shitz polishing paste doesn't actually seem to do too bad a job. Maybe I've got it all wrong. Let's have a go at the good old reflection test. Well, I mean, that could be better, couldn't it? Yeah, if it was a fucking mirror. Yeah, so this ain't come out too bad. I might even get a fiver for this on eBay. Who knows? Shit's, eh? I mean, I'll use it on the dog's teeth as well. Personally, as soon as I see something in someone's video, I know I'm not going to get an honest review. If I find something shit, I'll tell you it's shit. Because nobody's paid me to say it's good. Anyway, let's go for an independent opinion. What do you think, Chunk? Roar! I think Chunk likes it. Okay, if anybody's still watching, thanks for watching it all the way through. Leave me a comment underneath to what you think to all about this product placement everywhere. Right, normal service resumes on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.